Hey guys, my name is Sasha and I will be showing you today how to make the Jamaican homemade jerk sauce. There's not a precise measurement to this. You may have your favorites, like I like clove garlic, so maybe I would use more than you would. So just follow these simple steps, see the ingredients, just make it your own. Play around with it. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and click that bell. So whenever I upload videos, you will get a notification. Yeah. I'm about to blend everything, but when I look here, there's not enough liquid in here. So we're gonna go ahead and add some more soy sauce. Also add some more cooking oil to that, okay? So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, I had some soy sauce, now I'm gonna add some more cooking oil. So I believe that should do it. So let's go ahead and blend. There you have it, guys, my homemade jerk sauce. I hope you enjoy watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you have any suggestion on any other sauces you would like for me to make, please let me know. Thanks for watching.